Good afternoon, students. Today we see the new chapter, Unit 9, Plant Ecology. In the Plant Ecology, the chapter 8, we will see the environmental issues. Okay. So, what are the environmental issues happen in that? So, in this lesson, what we are all reading. So, important is forestry, deforestation, afforestation, what is the greenhouse effect and ozone depletion, and Allen University species conservation, carbon capture and storage. These are important we can see in these lessons. Now we are going to understand some of the environmental issues, the overpopulation, health issues, waste disposal, all types of pollutions, the greenhouse effect, ozone depletion, water and energy, food scarcity, deforestation, climate changes, industrial urbanization. These and all you heard this word. Because of these only environmental issues are problem creation. So environmental issues are the problems and harmful effect created by the human and mindful activity and over utilization of valuable resources, so obtained from the nature. So students should understand not only the environmental issues we are facing now, but also solution rectify only it reduce this problem. So that's why in your 12th standard chapter we frame this lesson. Okay, countries of the whole world agree that something need to be done about these important environmental issues. Many global summits, conference and the conventions are regularly conducted by the United Nations, and many steps are taken to minimize the human induced issues by the singing agreements with around 150 countries. Okay, so drastic increase in population result in the demand for more productivity of the food materials. So in agriculture, land use modification. So because of this, we can lose our biodiversity. So because of the land degradation, reduction of fresh water availability. So because of that only global warming by greenhouse gases even altering climate condition. What is the greenhouse effect and global warming? Greenhouse effect are a process by which radiant heat from the sun is captured by the gases in the atmosphere that increase the temperature of the earth ultimately. This is only greenhouse effect. Normally CO2 and the chlorofluorocarbon is the main effect of this greenhouse effect. Okay, so greenhouse effect, the gases that capture heat are called greenhouse, which include what are the carbon dioxide and methane. CH4 is the methane. So methane is 20% and the CO2, that the carbon dioxide is 60%, and the chlorofluorocarbon, that is the CFC, this is the 14%. So other voice are 6. Okay, percentage is there. So this chlorofluorocarbon is a very chemical, we only manufacture this, increase in the greenhouse lead to the aerosolization. So most probably we can use that AC, AC only. Air condition only includes the chlorofluorocarbon because it's very harmful. AC you don't want to use, avoid all of them because it is a major ecosystem problem. Okay, and climatic pattern also. For example, coral ecosystem is affected by increasing in temperature. Coral bleaching observed the Gulf of Mannar in Tamil Nadu. What does the human activity lead to produce the greenhouse? You know that burning of the fossil fuel. So it is also releases CO2 and CH4, methane and carbon dioxide. Agriculture, animal husbandry practice, way of agriculture. So we can use a lot of chemicals we can use in agriculture and animal husbandry. Because of that only it will be affected. Electric gadgets like a refrigerator and air conditioner. So both the refrigerator and air condition both releasing this chlorofluorocarbon, and agriculture which release into a fertilizer we are using fertilizer. Okay, so the emission from the automobiles also produce that more effect. Sorry, excuse me. The increase in mean global temperature due to the increased concentration of the greenhouse gas is called global warming. So because of the global temperature will be increase in the food compared to 4,000 years back. So now it is so high. So this is a global warming. Global means world, warming means heat. Okay, one of the reason of this overpopulation also creating a problem of food, fiber. So we need now more houses than only that agriculture field are converted into the housing department. So these are the major causes of global warming. What are the effect of global warming? So it's a global temperature automatically increase. So sea level also increase. The polar ice caps will be heated. So it will be come to melt and submersion of the many coastal cities. So many parts of the world there will be a drastic change in the weather pattern, bringing more floods or droughts in some areas. So because of that only the areas will be drought or flood will coming. Biological diversity may get modified. Some species range get redefined. Tropic and subtropics may face the problem decrease. The food production also will be decreases. Next, the sources of greenhouse gases. So carbon dioxide, coal based power plants. So we are using more power plants, water plant, lot of coal plants and all, mining. So it is also electricity generation only, fossil fuel. Combustion of the fuel in the engine, automobile, commercial vehicle. So in home nowadays, one home 4-5 motorbike, car. In one home only 2 people is, that means one bike is enough. But here not like that. Mother having one bike, father having one bike, daughter having one bike, and son having one bike. And after that your car also is there. So what is the happen? Lot of automobile we are using in one home means, so we can increase our global warming because it's a fuel is CO2, carbon dioxide they are sending, no. So because of that, agriculture practice like stubble burning result in the emission of CO2. So organic matter, vulcan swarm, ocean and sediments. Next, methane. So methane is very effective compared to CO2, 20 times effective compared to CO2. So heat of the atmosphere, source the attribute body cultivation, cattle rearing, bacteria and water bodies, fossil fuel production, ozone. So because of that only wildfires. Next, nitrous oxide. So naturally produced in the ozone from the biological source of soil and water due to the microbial action and rainforest. So because of that only use of fertilizer, nitric acid we are using. So agriculture, manure, catalytic, the burning of the organic matter. Next, global warming effect on plants. Yeah, all the plants will be, because of the global warming, it will be killed only. Low agriculture productivity in tropics, frequent heat waves, increase the vector and epidemics, strong storms and intense flood damage, water crisis and decreased irrigation, so change in the flowering season and pollen. Yes, nowadays weather also changing. So change in species distribution ranges, species extension. Okay, wow. So next, how we can deal in this strategy for the global warming. So first we can increasing the vegetation, grow more trees, and then use of the fossil fuels you have to reduce and green out. Next, developing alternate renewable sources of energy, and minimizing use of nitrogen fertilizer and aerosols. So these and all we can use, it means we can avoid otherwise strategy we can follow that. Next, ocean depletion. So ocean already having hole, because of earth atmosphere it only absorb the sun ultraviolet rays, UV rays, because of it only help to for it is protect our body from that. Okay, so cutting the ultraviolet rays emitted by the sun, just above the atmosphere there are 2 layers, namely one is troposphere, there is a lower layer, and stratosphere is the upper layer. The ozone layer of the troposphere is called bad ozone, and the ozone layer of the atmosphere known as the good ozone. Okay, because this layer act as shield. Yeah, it is a protector shield, absorbing UV radiation coming from the sun, which is harmful for the living organism. All the living, not only us, animals also, it will be help for that. So it is a first a very important one, DNA damage. So it will affect us means, it will be approach us means our DNA will be damaged. The thickness of the ocean column from the ground of the top of the atmosphere measured as a topazon units. Okay, so the unit is topazon unit. The ocean shield is being damaged by the chemicals of the earth's surface. So chlorofluorocarbon. So mostly why the chlorofluorocarbon only damage the ocean layer. Okay, wow. So because of the refrigerator and AC only. So avoid that using of the refrigerators. And so thickness of the ozone layer over restricted area is called ozone hole. So September 16 is the World Ozone Day. It's very important. September 16 is a what? World Ozone Day. September 16 is the World Ozone Day. Okay. Ozone depletion is that stratosphere result in UV radiation, especially UV radiation, and destroy the biomolecules. So damage living tissues. UV sees most damaging type of UV radiation, but it is completely filtered by the atmosphere. So 94% of the UV radiation which cause tanning, burning of the skin. So you know that then only in our Chennai all the people are morely closed, they cover. Now we can cover the face, everything, that gloves and all. Mostly ladies they are wearing, no, because enhance the skin cancer. But it is vitamin D synthesis is also, it will be lost. What we will do that compared to the vitamin D, the ozone, so UV radiation is very very harmful bird. So okay, uniform ozone is critical for the well-being life of the earth. During 1970 research finding indicated the man-made chlorofluorocarbon reduced the convert ozone molecule in the atmosphere. So they are threat associated with reducing the ozone, push to the in forefront of the global climatic issue and guide the promotion through the organization such as the World Meteorological Organization. So this is the World Meteorological means our ozone that they can calculate that the unit nation is there. So they are it is Vienna Convention was agreed that, and conference were conducted in 1985. So in 1988 they are framed some other necessary works So based on that, they are send the some protocol. So international treaty, the Montreal Protocol, it's worked on 1987 onwards. So Canada first it held in Canada. So it was substance that deplete ozone layer, and the main goal of the gradually eliminate the production of the consumption of ozone depletion substance. So they damage the earth to ocean layer. So it will be going on for all the country. They are taking effort for that. So clean development mechanism is defined as the Kyoto Protocol. Next to 2007 it is started the clean development mechanism. In that based on this project Kyoto Protocol, so we can, what are the dangerous climatic change will happen, how do we can reduce that. So they are learn the two objectives. One is that so in this project help very for limit the emission stimulate the sustainable development. So for example of the CDM project activity, okay, CDM project only that 2007 it project will be done. So what they have done in that solar panels or other energy with their boilers such present can certify the emission reduction of credit scores and CO2 which can be count out the meeting of Kyoto targets. So they are do it and they are control that. Next, what are the depletion effect of ozone depletion? So you know that increase the incidence of the cataract is nowadays cataract will be increased, lung irritation, so asthma, emphysema, skin cancer, immune system will be not functioning well. Juvenile mortality is very children, very below 2-3 years only we call as juvenile, and animals. So babies also we call that, and very for 2 or 3 days the animals will be mortality, will death, increase incidence of mutations. So it affect only our DNA, no? So the mutation will be occur. So chemical will be affected by their photosynthesis will result. So decrease the photosynthesis will be result in the atmosphere CO2 resulting global warming and also shortage of the food leading to food crisis. So it is an increased temperature climate and rainfall pattern which may result in flood, drought, seawater rise, balance in the ecosystem affecting the flora and fauna. You know that flora and fauna, animals and plants both. So next class we can see in the what is the forestry. Okay. So today we can learn from what are that two types we learn. One is the what is the greenhouse effect and ocean depletion. What are the effect ozone depletion? What are the effect? What are the chemicals we invent? How can we control? What are the project they did? That we are the next global warming also we can learn that what is the greenhouse effect, what are the effect of greenhouse effect, what are the human activities there, how can we emission, what are the chemicals emission from the greenhouse effect, how can we can control these and all we can study in that. Thank you student. Next class.